Hello, my name is Nade, and I teach portfolio preparation classes to students who are going to study fashion design in their post-secondary education. You need to include some of your unfinished work to indicate the way you think and develop your ideas. In fact, you need to show the process of your work. You need to have a strong story for your artworks. Creating a narrative with an impressive structure and content will help you a lot to have positive effects on the people who assess your portfolio. Try to show your strongest ideas, which are reflected in your artworks. Ideas all come from somewhere, and for your portfolio, it's important to support your ideas with proper research. Examiners need to see what inspires you, and using extensive and reputable secondary sources make your portfolio stronger. Don't clutter your portfolio with work without a proper layout. It's best to have a format when assembling a portfolio so all your pieces are consistent when it's showcased. Keep it design focused, not just what you made, but how you are showing it. The key is to sell yourself with proper structure. Make sure you have a good camera and good source of lighting. Ensure photos aren't blurry, and if scanning, use Photoshop for a cleaner look. Presentation matters in a portfolio. It's important to show the development of your work from idea to execution. When assessing portfolios, examiners want to see the pipeline of your ideas being developed as it shows exploration, creativity, and organization. It proves you have innovative design developmental skills.